Hi there! My name's Ryan and I'm a library assistant here at the Phoenix Public Library. I'm here today with some simple instructions about how to use a hotspot. All right, so to get started, we are going to set our hotspot on a table or another flat surface. Next, you're going to grab the power cord, which you will need to charge the hotspot battery. First, you will connect the micro USB end into the micro USB port on the hotspot. Then you will plug the other end into a power outlet. As you can see, a battery symbol will appear on the small display screen showing that the hotspot is charging. The power/menu button is on the front side. Push and hold this button for about 3 seconds to turn the hotspot on. It will display a welcome sign. To get to the home screen, you will press the power/menu button one more time quickly. So here, if you press it, it will then say please wait, and then it will bring you to the main menu screen. Once you're at the main menu screen, to cycle through different types of information, you will press the power/menu button on the front. If you press it one time, it will bring you to a screen showing you your data usage. If you press it again, it will bring you to a screen showing the name of the network for your hotspot. And if you press it one more time, it will bring you to a screen showing you the password for your hotspot network. All of the information about the network name and password is also on a sticker on the back of your hotspot. Once you're ready to connect to the internet, go into your network settings on whatever device you're using and look for the name of the hotspot. Once you find it, click Connect. Now you should be able to enter the Wi-Fi password. After you've entered the password, hit Next, and then your device should start to connect to the internet. Give it a few seconds, and then once it has connected, ta-da! You should be able to access the internet and do whatever it is that you need to do online. When you are done using your hotspot, all you need to do to turn it off is to push and hold the power/menu button on the front for about 3 seconds. The hotspot will display a goodbye message, and then it will turn off. If you have any further questions about our Hotspot Lending Program, feel free to give us a call at 602-262-4636 or visit our website at phoenixpubliclibrary.org. Have a wonderful day!